This remote here is a M series remote. I will show how to open it and do the cleaning process for key not working. There are 4 screws in bottom side. We need to first open all these 4 screws. When all the 4 screws is removed safely, we need to keep it properly, and then we need to open the lock. For opening the lock, I can just show here. We need to yeah, this is the lock. We just need to insert that screwdriver. It will just open the lock. This lock is located on both sides. We need to safely open the lock. When all the 4 lock is opened, then in topmost position we need to slowly open it and open the both side lock. After opening all the lock, the remote we can just open it, and here is the PCB side, and here is this one is the keyboard side. Now whichever key we located from the first process which is not working, we need to clean it first by cotton and then by IP. Please show how to clean. In this remote, down key is not working, so we need to clean it. IP is taken in the cotton bud. Slowly all the dust on the down key is removed. All the whole keyboard is cleaned properly. IP should not be directly put on the keyboard or on PCB. It have to be put on cotton bud. After cleaning PCB, we need to we need to assemble the remote. Keypad portion should be kept down, and the PCB portion is already fixed, so we need to put it up, and slowly we need to press all the lock. After putting all the lock, we need to fix all the 4 screws. And all the 4 screws will be tightened, and the remote will be working okay. After assembling the complete remote, we need to check that remote key as discussed in my first video. We need to check the IR blinker.